You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, and it's a special delivery.
Hey, you know who just came by?
No.
Moose Toys.
Moose Toys.
Uh-huh. Thanks, guys, for sending us this box.
Yes. It says, contents alive, open quickly. Foam alive.
FOMO. Wait a second.
Magically comes to life.
It's alive inside there, LPS-Dave. Open it quickly.
It's not that kind of alive. You know what I'm saying? It's more like synthetically alive. You know what I mean?
Hey, just a public service announcement.
Yes.
It's summertime. It's hot out there. All you folks with dogs,
Yes.
don't leave us in your car.
Don't leave me in the car or in the backyard without water. All right, melt just like ice cream. Scoop it, mold it, melt it.
Okay, I'm in. Don't eat it.
Let's see. There's something alive in here, or is it? Introducing an all-new brand from Moose, Foam Alive. Foam Alive is the only compound that looks like it's melting and coming alive at the same time. It has the amazing fluffy, soft texture. Once you touch it, you won't be able to stop playing. This amazing compound will stick to itself, but nothing else.
Really?
Watch the mesmerizing, unique flow motion movement. Compact it in a ball and bounce it before it becomes back to life. Or pack it in a fun mold and watch it creep out and escape.
Is this stuff that I'm looking at right here what we're going to be working with, LPS-Dave?
Not this stuff. It's there. I was just
I thought it was that stuff right there. That would be amazing.
Foam Alive comes in 3 different packs. Flip pack, duo pack with 2 different colors, and an ice cream playset with accessories available at all major retailers this August. It looks like we have the flip pack. Because I didn't see doubles in here. They sent us 1 pack of... Ooh, here it is. Here it is, everybody. Ruby Rush.
Well.
Look at that.
Ooh, it's an hourglass.
Ooh, it's alive. Yes. It's alive. Flip upside down. Try me package in the store. Then try me again. Look at that. Once you look at that. No mess never dries out. Try me. Flip me. Ages 5+.
When the Foam Alive comes to the bottom, your time is up, LPS.
So do we leave it in this, or do we take it out and play with it?
I just leave it. Let's play with the stuff in the box.
Oh, you want to play with all this? No, we're going to take it out of the package. Okay. We'll be right back. All right, are you ready, Senor Butch?
I am ready, LPS.
I'm curious about this. Oh, there we go. I am no longer curious about said packaging.
Sometimes you just got to rip it out of there, LPS.
Yes, well, I want to be somewhat delicate. Oh, did you see it? Wait. Holy cow, what is...
It's alive.
It must be something to do... Harry, I'm going to lose you a second there.
Please.
It has to do probably with static electricity.
Or it's alive.
Yes, well, we want to...
It's moving.
We want to know why. Okay, look at that, everybody. Okay, let's just watch. Okay, we watched.
Not quite as dramatic as I had hoped, LPS.
Let's just dump it out.
Whoa.
Ooh. Look at that. Now that's cool.
That is not in super slow-mo, ladies and gentlemen.
No, that is actual real time. Well, I don't think I'm going to get that out. Okay, I've got to reach in. Ooh, you're going to like this on your paw. Ooh, I almost made a heart. Look at that, yeah. There you are. I heart you, everybody out there. Heart the video. Heart your comments. Let's all share in the love. Okay, so it says you can make it into a ball, and then it stays, and then eventually it foams alive. It's alive.
Wow. That'd be fun to play catch with, LPS-Dave. I'm surprised. Here, little brother, throw the ball.
And then in seconds, it's gone. All right. What do you think about that?
LPS-Dave.
I would have loved to have gotten all the colors and see if they mix. That is neat. Let me just hold it in my hand. I'm holding it in my hand. Here we go. Foam alive. It's alive. Foam alive. So it won't hold its shape for very long.
But just do it as a stress ball, LPS-Dave.
Let's see. Stress. Okay. Butch forgot to pick up the milk. Butch forgot the laundry.
Oh, boy.
Butch forgot to rotate the tires on the vehicles. Butch stayed in the dumpster all night.
Oh, boy.
Butch smells.
Oh,
Butch needs a
boy.
shower. Oh, yeah, stress.
Boy.
Oh, no more stress. I feel great. Oh, that's wonderful.
See, I knew you could work it out.
Stress free.
Uh-huh.
Do you want to feel it?
Do I?
Yeah.
You put all your stress in there. Why would I want that?
All right, it's your turn.
Oh, LPS-Dave, this is luxurious.
Pretty nice, isn't
I
it?
think I'm going to use this as a mattress. This is so comfy. It kind of feels like fabric.
It does, doesn't it? It's got an interesting feel to it. You want to squeeze it and make it stay, but then, hey,
It doesn't.
you didn't stay where I put you.
Stay. It's kind of like it's a spa, LPS-Dave.
It's a spa life.
Yes.
That is really cool stuff.
I think I might snuggle up on this stuff and take a little nappy, LPS-Dave.
You think so? All right. Well, let's come back. We got to finish the video, and then you can have it. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
All right, Butch. That was the Ruby Rush.
Foam Alive.
Yeah.
I'm going to call it Foam Asleep, LPS-Dave, because I am about to crash right into that mountain
You
of
are?
Foam Alive.
Isn't that cool? You almost have to quickly play so that you can stay and keep it in its. And then all of a sudden,
never keep up with it.
never keep up with it. Ooh, look at that. That is so cool. Maybe one day we'll get the whole set.
Mix them up.
Yeah, mix some colors together. All right, thanks again to Moose Toys for our Foam Alive. Magically comes to life. I agree.
And it didn't stick to anything else, just like it said.
Yeah, just like it said. Not even sticking to my hand. Get over here. Get over here. Get over here. Go. And thanks for watching, everybody. Later.
Bye-bye, everybody.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.